Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today I will show you how to apply a promo code on the Temu app. Super easy and saves you money. First, launch the Temu app and add your favorite products to the cart. Once you're ready, tap the cart icon in the bottom right and hit checkout. Now on the checkout screen, look for the box labeled promo code or apply coupon. You can find this just below your items or order summary. And here, type or paste your code into the box. Then tap apply. If the code is valid, your total price will update instantly. You will see your order total decrease right away. Just finalize payment and tap place order. If your code does not work, here's why. First, expired or already used promo codes. Second, does not meet minimum spend or is not valid for those items. And third, you can only use one code per order on Temu. You can also find the offers inside the app under the coupons and offers or inbox promos. New users often get special bundle offers, and newsletters or referral links frequently include exclusive codes. And that's it. You're all set to use promo codes on Temu like a pro. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.